Hey everyone, it's Jen here. Thank you so much for making our 2-year anniversary giveaway such a success. I now have the pleasure to announce our winners. If you hear your name and your entry number, please reach out to us by email at info@onefinitycnc.com or by phone at 1-888-717-4242. Okay, here we go. The winner of our grand prize X35 Woodworker with Stiffy is Julian F, entry number 13288. Second place winner of the $500 gift card is Jim H, entry number 4583. And our third place winner of the $250 gift card is Darrell F, entry 10266. Congratulations to all of our winners. Again, thank you all so much for making the past 2 years so amazing, and we are all super psyched about what's coming next for Onefinity. Thank you. Bye.